Hi friends, I'm Salik. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm here again with a brand new, very nice video. Behind me, you can see the Tyre prefab house, and I will both describe it and I will show you the entire construction process from start to finish. Before we begin our video, I would be very happy if you could support me by clicking the subscribe button located at the bottom right. If you want more videos like this, please hit the like button and support me, friends. Let me show you, friends. This building is 76 square meters, including 23 meters of balcony. It is a building we constructed as a prefabricated house. This building is one we delivered last week, but you saw the week before the holiday. First, before going into the construction phase, let me show you up close and explain the features of the building to you. Don't worry, there's also water, but if you ask me in the comment section, I'll provide more detailed information later. I'll also reply to you in the comment section, guys. Alright then, let's start the video. Okay, let me show you. Can you see it on the camera? I'm not sure. In this building, we use the type of betopan known as striped betopan. It's a bit thicker than regular betopan because making those patterns requires a thicker material, guys. If you ask what extra this building adds, it only adds aesthetics. It makes it look more stylish, more beautiful. Let me show you. We do everything from the walls to the electrical installations and water installations of the building. Let me just tell you this. The companies that do prefab work, those that really do prefab work, they already handle the foundation. Everyone knows him as the ceramic guy.
We set the prices, guys. Even for small things, we do it like this for you. Guys, in other videos, you've generally asked about, the prices of prefab houses. So let me tell you this.
Please go ahead.
The price today, for example.
Thank you for watching. Go on. It has risen to 100,000 lira.
What's up? Since it's a changing industry, like
Impossible.
I can't give you exact information about this, but in upcoming videos, I will make a nice interview style video with other companies about prices and show you the price details, friends.
Goodbye.
We can't get inside. Why? Because our client isn't here and we have the keys. No, we can't get inside right now, but if I were to describe it, there's a large American style kitchen and living room. There's one bedroom, a bathroom. It's basically a summer house. You can already find the construction stages of the building at the end of the video. I'll show you the whole process from start to finish.
Subtitles by MK.
Honestly, I'm not sure if I have much more to say about this building. Since I couldn't go inside to show it to you, this is all I can tell you from the outside. As I said, friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button. And if you want to be notified when these types of videos come out, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Let me put it this way. We don't get involved in woodworking. Why not? Because these are aesthetic choices and depend on both budget and taste. This is why companies don't get involved, and we don't either. You might ask, why is there no ceramic flooring here? You might wonder, why isn't this house fully finished? But as I said, companies that do prefab work need to rely on carpenters and ceramists. They don't get involved at all. Because our job is to build houses, not to decorate the interior. Everyone should stick to their own work. You can choose the paint in any color and pattern you want. Let me show you. The door, specifically the steel door, the windows, double glazed, everything in the building, right down to the fly screens.
you.